Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious wine jelly. First, choose a wine you genuinely love, as its unique taste will be concentrated in your final product. Next, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including the wine, sugar, and liquid pectin. Finally, sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly. This crucial step prevents spoilage and ensures your jelly is safe to enjoy for months to come. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 3 cups of your chosen wine, 4 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 standard 3-ounce pouch of liquid fruit pectin. Make sure you have a large, heavy-bottomed pot, a whisk for stirring, a ladle, and a canning funnel. Don't forget your sterilized canning jars, along with new lids and rings. Having everything organized before you begin makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, keeping your kitchen spotless after cooking is a breeze with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer with voice control, self-emptying capabilities, and it's perfect for pet owners. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Begin by combining the wine and sugar in your large pot. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Once boiling vigorously, quickly stir in the liquid pectin. Continue boiling for exactly 1 minute, stirring constantly. Remove from heat and immediately ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving precisely 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean before sealing with lids and rings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.